Well, I was very excited to take the Emoko C93 out of the box. This is not a one-person job, but it was on my own, so I had to make the most of it. Putting this together is pretty self-explanatory. There is step-by-step instructions included in the e-bike, plus there is also a video already on YouTube. You get a pump with this bike. You also get a phone holder with this bike that has a 1000-watt brushless motor. It has a 48-volt 20-amp-hour lithium battery with a range of up to 90 kilometers. Max speed of 50 kilometers an hour, 20-inch by 4-inch tires, and a payload of 180 kilograms. The actual weight of this bike is 42 kilograms net weight. So of course, get a friend to help you take it out of the box or to simply move it around. To be honest, take your time putting this together. Make sure you are using the correct tools and you will absolutely have no problem at all. As you can see here, be careful taking off all the packaging. Make sure not to cut any cables or anything like that. It can also be easier to flip the bike upside down when you put the mudguard on and then you put the wheel on. As you can see here, just be careful when you are putting the disc in between the brake caliper not to break anything, and make sure that the wheel actually spins quite freely. You do have to lock in the rear shocks. As you see here, I did use a ratchet to do this to make sure they are nice and secure, but again, you can use the tools provided. The actual rear seat that you see here, 4 screws. Pretty easy to put in the back. Take your time. The angle can be a little bit tricky, but you will get there. Front headlight, again, very simple. Align it. Make sure you put the rubber washers on the inside to protect the housing of that big huge light, because you don't want to, of course, crack it, and you will have no problems whatsoever. It is connected with 2 cables as well, and I did get a surprise with this e-bike. If your country allows accelerators, well, good news, you get an accelerator with the C93 to unlock the full speed, which is very nice. You'll see it now in a second, and it takes probably 2 minutes to put it on. Again, when you are connecting the cables, make sure each arrow is pointing towards each other to make sure they sit in perfectly. And here's that accelerator. Take a look. Very nice feeling. Kind of a nice premium feeling accelerator compared to some models. But all in all, enjoy the first ride video. Okay, time to have some fun. I've never tried one of these models. And let's see what speed we can get up to. Full review will be coming soon. This is just a first ride to see what I think of it. Acceleration only, fully unlocked, full charge, 36, 37, 38, 39. A bit of wind coming towards me today. Whoa, 45 kilometers an hour. 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, doing a great job. 48 kilometers an hour, 49 kilometers an hour, 50 kilometers an hour, 51. Whoa! 51.5 kilometers an hour on this. 52, 53, 54, 55. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, full hydraulic brakes, doing a really good job. God, the handlebars are so comfortable on this, and it looks so unique. This has some serious power. It is so comfortable. Wow, cruise control kicked in. Oh wow, okay, this bike is very, very nice. God, it's been a while since I've been on something that's so different, so unique in its look, and you can carry a passenger on this. Whoa, any questions, by the way, please leave them in the comment section below. This bike has some serious kick. Wow. Coming to a roundabout here. Let's do a quick brake test. Whoa. Oh, the brakes are phenomenal on this, and suspension is actually so nice. Let's just pedal. Let's see what it's like. Let's stick it on to gear 4. Okay, gear 4 ain't doing much. Let's stick it on to gear 5. Gear 6. Gears are shifting okay, but to be honest, it feels like I'm ghost pedaling. This bike just wants to go. It really wants to go. Horn. Whoa, okay, the horn is extremely loud. To be honest, at a distance, it looks like you're on a motorbike. The way the battery looks like a fuel tank. Whoa, this bike has some serious kick. It's probably one of the most powerful e-bikes I've ever ridden. Woo! The minute you press the accelerator on this bike, it wants to go. And it has 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires. Yes, 4-inch fat tires, giving you the confidence in gripping. To be honest, is there a point in pedaling? Okay, let me put it onto gear 2, for example. Okay, gear 2, I'm assisting the motor a small bit. Okay. Oh, gear 3, get you a bit faster. Gear 4, get you faster again. Okay, so basically, if you have it on gear 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can assist the motor. And then, of course, if you put it onto gear 5... okay, gear 5 is basically like, just max me out, go with that high crazy speed. God, it's so comfortable. My legs are so comfortable. I've never been on a motorbike, but that's what it feels like on this. It feels like I'm on a motorbike. To be honest, this e-bike would definitely eat the hills. I'll go to 2 of the hills that I normally test scooters on and e-bikes, and then I'll see what it can do. To be honest, this is gonna eat this hill. No problem at all. Gear 5. Yeah, no problem at all. 25 kilometers an hour going up a hill like this. Oh, and it's picking up speed. Okay, let's stop. Yeah, I definitely need to turn off the cruise control. You can do it on the P settings menu if you want. Let's do another brake test. 31, 35, 40. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Let's do 0 start, second hill around the corner. Let's see what it can do. To be honest, the seat is so comfortable. I don't want to get off it. Suspension, hard to bottom out. Yeah, having difficulty bottoming out the suspension. Okay, let's do 0 start hill number 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Throttle only. Yep. Boom. Happy days. Hill climbing. Yeah, not a problem at all on this C93. Of course, it does have more spec that I will talk about in the full review. But for now, that's pretty much it. First impressions are, after blowing me away, did not expect that speed, did not expect that comfort level. Basically just didn't expect everything on this e-bike. And yeah, and you can, of course, you can easily carry a passenger very comfortable on this. So if you have enjoyed this first impressions video, any questions, again, post them below, and I'll talk to you in the next video.